Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to join me in today's video of cleaning out my son's room. We're going to be reorganizing his room. My sister ended up giving me some cubbies, so I was able to, I think, transform his room and make his room way more functional for us for free, and I was so excited about it. We ended up getting rid of his current toy storage system. If you've been around here, you may remember we had the gray shelf with the white buckets on it, and my son had begun dumping out the buckets of toys and then using the white buckets to climb up onto counters or unlock doors. So we definitely were not a fan of that. We had double the mess to clean up because of it. So my sister told me she was getting rid of the cubbies out of my nephew's room. So I definitely jumped on the chance to grab those. And we also took her our old storage system because she is expecting, and we thought that that would be a great use for her in her future little one's room. So it ended up being a win-win for both of us, and I am so excited at how everything turned out. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. But first, let's go ahead and get on into the cleaning.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Na, we ain't got the time.
Like I said earlier, my son is all boy. He's gross. He had been taking applesauce pouches into his room, and I did not know it. And he was jumping on them on his trampoline, so it squirted applesauce everywhere. There was applesauce on his floor. So I did go ahead and just get a bucket of warm water and a microfiber cloth, and I added some Dawn dish soap into the water to go ahead and give this a nice good cleaning. It turned out looking brand new, which I wasn't sure would happen, but I was thrilled that it did. And don't worry guys, he is definitely banned from eating applesauce in his room now. All food has to be at the table.
Really tried to put my feelings to the side, drifted away into the tide, but now it's baby bye bye, bye. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. All these people in this crowd think they're all missing out. I guess I used to be me, but now I just wanna leave. Now I just wanna leave. 'Cause you know I really tried to put my feelings to the side, drifted away into the tide, but now it's baby bye bye, bye. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. You'll never be enough. That's why I gave you up. Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Could play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear.
Now these are the cubbies that we got from my sister. We already had the 3 one, so she gave us the one with 4 cubbies and then also this one with 8. I already had these baskets. I got them from Walmart for another project that I just haven't done yet, so I thought I would utilize them in this space. And I honestly was planning on his room being a lot more grays, but after doing this, I definitely want to do a lot more wood tones. I'm thinking maybe a little bit more like of a mid-century kind of farmhousey vibe in his room. If you can't tell, I really love like the black, white, and wood look. So he definitely has like the black furniture so far. So I may just end up getting him a bed that's black as well. We'll see how that goes. I do know that we for sure are getting rid of his bed soon. As I said, my sister is expecting, so we are going to be giving her our crib. And I think we're also going to end up giving her the dresser that matches the crib because it's really hard to find the exact match in a bed for my son. I mean, we'll see what ends up happening, but for now, I think that this is great while we look for a bed, and I'm kind of changing up how I want to design his room just because of this change. So we'll see what happens when we do redo his room. I will definitely bring you guys along with us.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here?
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away.
Now, like I said, my son was loving helping throughout this whole process. He was putting all of his toys where they belonged, and this is him putting the little horses back into their stable so that we can get it all put away. And I just wanted to include that because I just thought it was so cute that he is all of a sudden becoming more and more attentive of like cleaning up and putting things where they belong. Now, this black and white basket, I don't know if you recognize it, but it is in my living room. We do try and keep some toys out in the living room for him, but lately he's been bringing a lot more into his room. So instead of just keeping it full of toys and just keep on adding more and more toys, I decided to put all of these toys back into his room, and then as he brings toys out, if they're out in the living room at night and he's already in bed, I'll put them in the basket, and if not, they're going straight back into his room to try and lessen how many toys we just have scattered throughout the house.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Alright guys, and this is it for his room. Like I said, I loved these cubbies to store some of these bigger toys. He can see everything and easily access it, and what's even better is he can actually put it away. I did move his laundry basket into the closet because nobody really wants to see dirty laundry anyways, and yeah, now I'm just trying to figure out what do I want to do on this back wall because I'm really liking how this is turning out so far. I did store like his book, a few more of the bigger toys over here, and then like I said, he has those baskets that are full of toys in here as well. I did keep his Legos in the little dino canister up on top, that way they're easy to just toss in. He seems to grab those a ton. His dresser was cleared off as well. I don't think I actually had video of me cleaning it, but I did go ahead and clean his dresser, and we used this book stand that our friend had made us instead of as a bookshelf. We ended up putting his balls in it. He loves like cars, balls, anything like that, so if I can make a designated space for it, he does so much better. He was lounging, watching movies while this was going on, but I still wanted to go ahead and give you guys a final picture of what his room turned out like. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!